Welcome to a mathematics video brought to you by Simplifying School. In this video, we will look at why multiplication and division are inverse operations, or in an easier language, why we can use the one backwards to help us calculate the other. This is a concept all grade 5s should understand and be familiar with. Let's look at an example. We all hopefully know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. In other words, 2 groups of 5 each, or 5 groups of 2 each, gives us 10 in total. Now, let's take that 10 and divide it equally into 2 groups. How many do we have in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's right, we have 5 in each group. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's put all 10 together again and this time share it equally between 5 groups. How many does each group have now? 1, 2. Every group has 2. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now you have hopefully seen how we can work backwards and use multiplication to solve a division question, and how we can work backwards and use division to solve a multiplication question, because 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 5. This should make it slightly easier for you to solve questions like 2 times 3 equals block, 6 divided by 3 equals block. Why not tell all your friends to watch this video too? One never knows where it might just help. Also remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos covering topics you are studying.